Want to connect Gmail to Google Drive so that every time you receive a new email with a specific label or in a specific tab, and it includes an attachment, the file is automatically saved to your drive? I'll show you how to set it up using Pluga super easily and quickly. But before we continue, it's important to know that the attachment from each new email will be saved to your Google Drive, either directly in the root or in a folder you've already created to keep things organized. So let's jump into the step-by-step. The first thing you need to do is access Pluga's website and log in or create a free account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll find the sign-up link in the description. Next, under Select App, search for Gmail, since that's the app that will trigger the automation whenever you receive a new email with the label you choose. And then, under Select Trigger, choose the option New Email in a tab or label with attachment. Now, select Google Drive as the destination app and then choose the action Update File. After that, click Automate. On this screen, just check if the source app and the trigger are correct. If everything looks good, hit Continue. Now, let's connect your Gmail account. To do that, just click on Connect New Account and give access to your Gmail account. Since I already have my account connected here, I'll just select it and click Continue. Next, you'll set which mailbox/label and criteria for email capture Pluga should monitor. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Contracts and All Emails. This way, every time I read an email with this label, the file will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Before we move on, there's a really useful step here. You can filter the information coming from Gmail, so this automation only runs under the conditions you choose. This step is optional, but remember that the more specific your criteria are, the better your automation will work in your favor. With everything set, let's move on to setting up Google Drive. Just like we did with Gmail, the first step is to confirm the selected action and connect your account. Once that's done, you'll choose which drive and folder will be used to store the information coming from Gmail. In this case, I'm going to select my drive and the folder Contracts. This way, I can keep everything organized by topic. Now it's time to customize your automation. Here, insert the file link and the file name to proceed. Once everything is configured exactly how you want, just click Continue and then Finish Automation, and that's it. From now on, every time you receive an email with the label Contracts, the file in your Google Drive will be automatically updated without you lifting a finger. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via chat or send us an email at support@pluga.co. See you next!